When evaluating your door's compatibility with a Yale smart lock, check to make sure that you don't have a mortise-style lock or door prep. That means a long and interconnected latch and deadbolt plate on the side of the door. Here's another example of a mortise prep door. This type of door will not be compatible with a Yale Real Living smart lock. When evaluating your door's compatibility with a Yale smart lock, check to make sure that you don't have an interconnected style lock set. This type of lock set includes the hardware below the smart lock on the exterior and interior of the door and will need to be replaced once you replace the deadbolt with a Yale smart lock. Yale has a wide variety of compatible replacement handle sets, levers, and knobs at shopyalehome.com. When replacing your door's hardware, be sure to verify the measurement from center to center on the deadbolt bore holes to the center of the lower hardware bore hole. The minimum distance should be 4 inches. The distance on this particular door is 5.5 inches, which is fine. We just replaced this interconnected handle set with a Yale smart lock and handle set. Note all compatible door dimensions.